Geoscience ANALYST 4.6 introduces several powerful new features in the Pro Geophysics package. One highlight is an enhancement for VPmg. If you're unfamiliar with VPmg, it's a geophysical inversion distinct from other ones like SIMPEG or UBC. It uses vertical prisms to model the subsurface and offers flexible approaches for handling geological units. You can either compute physical property values within a unit or adjust unit boundaries using several configurations, like a basement property inversion to vary the physical property within the basement, a cover thickness to get the cover sequence, a depth to basement inversion to calculate the depth to the bottom of the model, geometry-based inversions, which fix the physical properties in the units but adjust the contacts, heterogeneous inversions, which allow a physical property to vary within a unit laterally or fully in 3D. And then there's homogeneous inversion, and this assigns a single physical property to each unit. VPmg treats smoothness, however, differently than other methods, which can cause artifacts if data are not well sampled. In 4.6, we solve this with a new data resampling feature that assigns values to each prism, yielding smoother, cleaner results. Here's an example. This is a basement inversion for apparent density using the demonstration datasets for airborne gravity, and it's included in every download. Now, at an elevation close to the surface, this inversion shows line-based artifacts caused by the survey geometry. Several workarounds already exist, but the new data resampling tool eliminates these artifacts while preserving model integrity, and it's very simple to use. I'm just going to navigate to VP Utilities and then resample the surface data for VPmg. This output is a point object, and it contains a very densely sampled version of the surface data. From here, I'm going to create a new VPmg group. I will choose to edit the options. Now I'm going to replace the original data set with the resampled data. And then I'm done. Now here I'm going to simply run VPmg locally on my machine. When you load the new results, here I'm going to load them. Now we're going to set the elevation on the new model to be the same as the old model. And when you do this, well, you see that the line artifacts are now gone. So this streamlined approach can produce a smooth model without the need for cumbersome manual corrections. So in conclusion, the new data resampling capability in Geoscience ANALYST 4.6 makes VPmg even more versatile and user-friendly. And by improving the model's smoothness and reducing artifacts with minimal effort, it allows geoscientists to focus on interpretation rather than reworking and troubleshooting. This feature is just one example of how Pro Geophysics continues to evolve and meet the needs of modern subsurface modeling. Thanks for watching.